This video, I'm gonna be showing you if you should lift or lower your single cab. Right here we have Baby Raptor suspension, and then right there we have a lowered with a Whipple supercharger. Today we're gonna be going over what you should or what you. It just depends what you want on your opinion. So you can see based on these two trucks, which I'm pretty much just giving you an example. All right, so here we have my friend's single cab. This one's Whipple on a 4.6 drop kit. It has, and my drop kit was upper and lower control arms with shocks in the back and whatever you call it, the flip kit. You have springs? Well, you fucking know what it is. He has lowering springs in the front, and then Viking in the rear. He has Viking all four corners, which is the recommended shock brand to go with, because you can change the stiffness of them. And this one's pretty much the performance plus looks truck, because it does have a Whipple. How much are you pushing?
5?
Nah, shut the fuck up.
450.
Nah, no more.
450. Is it California compliant?
Are you serious?
450, yeah.
Bro, I can gap you then.
Maybe.
Shut the fuck. Okay, it has 700 horsepower. But I originally had this as my truck, or not. I originally had it in my truck lowered like this, but it was on lower control arms and upper control arms. How does it ride? Really?
I think the Viking shocks. Yeah.
You don't have them too stiff though?
No, we adjusted them. They're real.
Fuck, well. When I had mine, was it bouncy in the back? Well, it just depends what kit you go with and how much you want to spend. Obviously, me being a broke ass, always on a budget, I went with IHC, which is $1,000. Was upper and lower control arms, flip kit in the back with some normal shocks that are too bouncy. But right here we have the lifted variant. As you can see the difference. So far, I'm liking it being lifted over lowered, because I don't really have to worry about any bumps. But you still have almost all the power, just depending on the size of the tires you go with. Or fuck you. But here they are side by side. As you can kind of see, the height difference between a 4 inches dropped in the front and 6 inches in the back, and then a leveled out truck. To see, you can kind of see the difference, how it looks from the sides and all that. But pretty much it just depends on your own personal opinion on what you decide. But if you are in the middle, like, of what you should do, so you're a single cab or whatever the fuck you have, I think this definitely can help you out with that. Especially with mainly people do it like looks wise, because here's how it looks lowered. As you can see, all tucked in the rear. It looks very nice. This one's actually on 22s right now, full limited front end. And then we got mine with the Raptor grill, fake headlights, and just stock bodies for now. So we get those are whack. Mine are the same thing. Hold on, let me see. There's no difference. But as you can see, it mainly just depends on what you want to do with your truck. But if you want to do everything, lifted is the way to go, because you can do everything. You can be fast. You can be fast off-road. You can tow. So if you do want to go performance-based, this is the best truck to do it with. But also, if you want performance and you want to go off-road, this is your perfect example right here. Right here, stock pretty much just has a little teeny tiny intake that will gap a Whipple. But it performs well on and off the road, right? Off the road, maybe?
Yeah, off the road. You're getting stuck everywhere, but
fuck you. That doesn't count though. But it's overall solid off-road. Not too, it's kind of bumpy. It's pretty smooth when it's not too crazy, where the bumps are not too big, but it holds its own against the Razor. But even if you want performance and you want to have fun off-road, I definitely recommend going lifted, because you can push these trucks to have a lot of power with them. And according to him, they're the best thing out right now to make power and beat everyone. That's what she said. So as you can see, if you want to be cool in the sky and not have cops on your dick, definitely go with the lifted option. But if you want to be lowered and kind of cool, I guess, you can definitely go lowered. They both do look nice in their own way. I did have both, and overall I feel like lifted is better for me, but he has like a razor that he doesn't want, so I guess I guess he doesn't need a lifted truck.
If anyone needs a razor, I'm selling mine.
Shut the fuck. We got just a little, how many? A 1 liter Whipple or what?
Yeah, it's 450 horsepower.
Shut the fuck. You can push up to let's say you can push up to 800 maybe.
450 with the wheels. I know they're cool. It's 450.
Well then, fuck, you're doing something wrong. 450 horsepower out of Whipple.
Yeah.
You make the same thing I make stock.